Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find jobs on Facebook. Firstly, land your application and then just tap on your search box on your upper side and type for find jobs, or you can type for jobs near me. Go for it. Then just scroll down and here you're gonna find out a section which is sponsored, as you can see, and you're gonna have the chance to sign up to get up to this significant post. Also, when you scroll down, you can have also a chance to apply on this project. Just gonna click on it, go for apply now. Then here you're gonna need to fulfill all these informations, and then you need to go for agree and you need to send this getting up to this profile, and then they're gonna send you a feedback for the getting sure of your application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.